Hi there, everyone. Josh Rugger here with a special live stream this morning. We're only going to be on for a few moments here, but I wanted to give everybody the latest on a traffic alert that's occurring in the southbound lane of Interstate 49 near that Bella Vista interchange. Again, we were talking about this on Fox 24 News just a few moments ago. We're only going to be on this live stream for the next few minutes or so. They're about to record Good Day NWA here in studio, but just wanted to kind of show you the extent of the accident right now. Again, this is looking just over that Bella Vista intersection right now. A lot of folks use this particular stretch of interstate to get to work and school in Bentonville and Rogers. So if you're heading southbound along this interstate right now, you're going to want to find an alternate route. Now, it does look like that the accident itself has been cleared, but look how far back those cars are right now. And what's the biggest concern with this particular accident is a lot of folks get on that on-ramp from Bella Vista in order to get on the interstate. And a lot of times, even when there's no accident, I know this because I travel along this particular stretch of the interstate every day. A lot of times, even when there's no accident, this gets backed up because a lot of folks move in from Bella Vista and then get onto the interstate with this on-ramp. So if you're traveling southbound right now on I-49 near Bella Vista, you're going to want to make sure you're giving yourself plenty of extra time to get to where you're going. Even though the accident has been cleared at this time and traffic is starting to move a little bit more, there still is a big backup. So you don't want to run into any of those fender benders or any of those situations where you could run into somebody. And look at the extent of this accident, though, on iDrive Arkansas. This is a resource that you can use at any time. iDriveArkansas.com. It's available to the public. I just wanted to kind of talk about that resource that people have. But look here, and you can kind of see the key here on iDrive Arkansas. We've got that dark red shaded color. That means that traffic is stopped right now. And then in that orange color, it's very slow. And notice how not only is Interstate 49 experiencing that stop travel right now in that southbound lane, but Highway 71 is also experiencing a significant amount of traffic too, especially as you head a little bit farther north there near Tiger Boulevard and around Bentonville. So it looks like a lot of folks are trying to get onto Highway 71 in order to get around the accident, but they're running into more traffic as well. So definitely a big concern at this time. It looks like the accident's been cleared. There were injuries reported with this particular accident. There was multiple vehicles involved with it. Looked like there was some ambulances on the scene. Hopefully everybody turns out okay. But again, we're going to be keeping a close eye on this throughout the morning hours. I can report that the accident's been cleared, so that's confirmed. Now the question is, how long will it take for all this travel to move out of the area and all this traffic to start flowing normally again? So just wanted to make sure people knew about the latest details. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm going to be on for another 2 to 3 minutes. Just wanted to make this a very quick live stream to give you the latest details. Again, if you're just joining in, this travel alert is in the southbound lane of Interstate 49 near Bella Vista right now. So we're going to be watching this very, very closely because it looks like the extent of the backup is all the way back towards Highway 72. So that's about 5 to 6 miles away from the original accident. I'm going to go back to iDrive Arkansas here so you can see that. Look how far back that travel is there on that iDrive Arkansas map. So as you can see, definitely going to take a little while for traffic to flow normally once again along Interstate 49 and Highway 71, that side road that people were taking to get around the particular accident. But again, thankfully it's been cleared. Let's see if there's any other incidents to report on all those interstates and highways. It looks like there might be another accident that's occurred. There's been a lot of accidents this morning, folks. Got to make sure you're taking it nice and easy as you're heading off to work and school. Let's see the incident report here. So it looks like there was a 2-vehicle accident southbound lane of I-49 near mile marker 66. Let's see if we can get an iDrive Arkansas camera on that. Looks like it wasn't too significant. Doesn't look like travel is really being impacted by that at this time. So that's good news right there. But just take it nice and easy this morning, folks. It is that time of year where that sun can get to your eyes as you're heading off to work at school. I did notice a big uptick in travel accidents last year around this time. When the sun starts coming up right around 7, 8 o'clock, people are traveling southbound along the interstates. That sun gets into their eyes and it can kind of obstruct your view just a little bit. So take it nice and easy this morning. Give yourself plenty of extra time to get to work and school. And just make sure that you're staying aware out there as you're traveling along the interstate. Again, looks like traffic's starting to move again. That's the good news, but expect some significant delays along I-49. I mean, we go all the way back to Centerton here, and you can see that travel is starting to get backed up there too. So we'll be watching it very, very closely, let you know about the latest details. Thanks again for joining in. Again, that accident's been cleared, and traffic is starting to flow normally once again along I-49 southbound near Bella Vista. All right, everybody, have a great rest of your day. We will see you tomorrow on KNWA Today and Fox 24 News, and have a terrific rest of your Wednesday.